everyone, today we're going to make an to-do list app, and this project is perfect for beginner because it introduces some of the most important Flutter concepts, including widgets, text management, with set state, user input, and dynamic list. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create test display and display them on the screen and remove the list when they're complete. Let's get started. First, before we begin coding, let's quickly talk about Flutter. Flutter is an open source UI framework developed by Google. It allows developers to build applications for Android, iOS, web, Windows, macOS, and Linux using a single code base. Flutter uses the Dart programming language and follows a widget-based architecture. Everything in Flutter is a widget, including text, buttons, image, and layout. This approach makes Flutter flexible and easy to learn. First, we can open our terminal code. If you're using Windows or Mac, you can also open your terminal in your device. Mine using Windows R, and then I'm typing CMD, and then I click the enter. Now, because I have to change the file directory, like in this file, I want to using this file, so I'm just gonna copy the directory and then cd. No. Wait. Why it's not changed? Okay, we can enter because I have to change my directory files to create the new app. So I'm just gonna type the Flutter to do app. No. We have to type the create to, and then we can enter. Before we start, we can open the VS Code, but I have the shortcut. You just type the code and enter. Okay, first you have this much. This is another file that I have in my current folder. So every Flutter application okay. Now we'll see several folders, but for this tutorial we'll mainly focus on the lib folder, and then in the main we can close all because I don't need it all. Inside the folder is this main dart. This is the entry point of our Flutter application. When Flutter creates a project, it generates a basic counter application. We'll remove the default code. Now, like that. And we are gonna create our own, so I'm just gonna teach you first. No, I'm just gonna using this template for apa, explain to you guys. So a Flutter application usually consists of main function like my app, and then material app widget, material app widget, and then scaffold widget, scaffold, this is the material app, and stateful or stateless widget. The material app widget provide the overall structure for our application. The scaffold widget gives us components such as an app bar, body, and floating action button. Then this widget help us quickly build modern mobile. And let's start creating our user interface. I'm just gonna type all that. So we have the style. We using the stateless widget first, and then I'm just gonna making the like this. My app is in class. Why? No, it's not my app. It's to the app. Okay, this is the extension I have, so I'm just hitting material up. I'm doing it show menu. Wait, what happened? Title to the app, and then the theme. We can create the theme. Data. Primary sweat. Colors blue. Now we can home. Cons to do this. Now we making the If we do create, no, we have to stop aja, and then we just push to yes. Okay. I think it's fine now. Text editing controller.